Do you have a toilet that runs continuously or that turns on and off all the time? If so, it's almost always one of three common problems that causes these issues. In this video, I'm going to show you how to figure out which problem your toilet has and how to fix it. Sometimes the fixes are going to take you less than a couple of minutes, and in other cases you might need to replace a part, but even that is a pretty simple thing. Let's get started. The fix and the diagnosis of all three of these requires getting into the tank. So let's go ahead and remove the lid. And let's start with the toilet that runs for a few seconds, shuts off for a few minutes, runs, shuts off. That's almost always a problem with the flapper. And what you can do to verify that is mark the water level in your tank, shut the water off under your toilet, leave it for 10 minutes, come back 10 to 15 minutes later, and if the water level is lower, then you know that there's a problem with your flapper. Most toilets have a flapper like this, and it's this that seats to keep the water from flowing from your toilet tank into your bowl. Now my toilet has a different type of flapper or a different type of valve, but they all do the same thing. Now sometimes the problem can be with the chain. If the chain is tight, it may hold the flapper up a little bit and not allow it to seat. So make sure your chain has a little bit of wiggle room. Check under your flapper, make sure it feels smooth, make sure the seating surface is smooth. But these flappers are notorious for going bad, and it's a simple thing to replace them, and I do have a separate video that shows you how to do that. Here's a canister type valve that I recently fixed for somebody. The only problem was the gasket was loose. Once I put that back on, the toilet worked perfectly. Okay, now let's talk about a toilet that runs constantly. First thing to check is check your water level in relation to the fill tube. If the water level is at the top of the fill tube or even a little bit higher, then that's going to cause the toilet to run constantly. So what you need to do is adjust it. All toilet fill tubes are going to have an adjustment. A lot of them have a little turn dial like this. If you turn it clockwise, you're going to raise the level. If you turn it counterclockwise, you're going to lower the level. And you want the level about a half an inch to an inch below the top of the fill tube. Adjust it a little bit. Run a little bit of water out of the toilet till the valve kicks on. Let it run until it stops and check the level. If it's still too high, turn it a little bit more and try the same thing again. If it's too low, then turn it back clockwise just a little bit. Okay, this is just about perfect. We've got about a half an inch or so below the fill tube. If your toilet runs continuously and the water level wasn't too high, then the most likely problem is your fill valve. And there's a couple of simple things you can do to check. But first thing you must do is turn the water off. Otherwise you'll have a mess. So what you need to do is open up the fill valve. This red cap just snaps off. Sometimes it's a little ornery. And once you get the cap off, you need to rotate this about 1/8 of a turn, and it will come right off. Okay. And you can also unsnap this. So you've got a rubber seal in here. Check it for any damage. Look for any debris. And lastly, take a cup, place it over this, turn your water on for about 5 seconds. So these valves are really small. It doesn't take much debris to cause a problem. So flushing that out can often fix that. So then you're just going to replace this. So put it on here till it fits nice and snug, and you're going to turn it clockwise till it snaps back into place. You're going to lock the float arm back on it, put the cap back on, and turn your water back on. Now, if your water stops flowing, then you've fixed your problem. You're done. If the water doesn't stop, then you've got another problem with the fill valve. And it's not hard to replace these. They cost about $15, and you can replace it in 5 to 10 minutes. And I have a separate video that shows exactly how to do that. So if you have a continuously running toilet, check the level in the tank and flush out your fill valve. And I bet 3/4 of the time, one of those two are going to fix the problem. Worst case, you have to replace the fill valve, and that's about a $15 and less than 15-minute job. It's really simple. If it's turning on for a few seconds and shutting off and doing this continuously, then the flapper is most likely the problem.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.